Welcome to the GKN installation videos. Today we'll show you the disassembly and assembly of an AAR joint. Always watch out for your safety and the safety of others. Maintain the relevant safety regulations and wear appropriate protective clothing. First, loosen the small clamp. Then the large clamp. Carefully remove the joint housing from the drive shaft. There are two different types of tripod joints. In the case of tripod housings with chamfer, first remove the chamfer. The chamfer is only used during the production of the complete shaft as a transport lock, so that the tripod cannot slip out of the joint. Take the old grease out of the tripod. Remove the tripod circlip from the drive shaft. Pull the tripod off the drive shaft. Remove the boot. Thoroughly clean the interconnecting shaft. Slide the small tensioning clamp on the interconnecting shaft. Then the new boot. Tightly tension the small clamp as far as possible by hand. A corresponding special tool, like this from our toolbox, enables you to install and dismantle the individual components safely, easily, and quickly. Use the special pliers to tightly close the small tensioning clamp. Fill a third of the supplied quantity of grease into the boot. Take hold of the tripod. Pay attention to the correct installation direction and put it on the interconnecting shaft. Install the tripod, for example with the help of a plastic or aluminium sleeve, in the stop position on the interconnecting shaft. That ensures a proper fit and avoids damage to the tripod. Now place the circlip on the interconnecting shaft and fix the tripod. Get the rest of the grease. Fill some of it in the tracks of the joint housing. The rest in the boot and on the tripod rollers. Now push the joint housing over the tripod onto the shaft. Pull boot on the joint housing into correct position. Then deventilate the boot and check for reliable connection. Pick up the large clamp and tension as far as possible by hand. Now tightly close the large tensioning clamp with the help of special pliers. The special pliers hold down ensures professional compression of the lugs and uniform fixing of the tensioning clamp and sealing of the boot. Move the joint to spread the grease inside and simultaneously check the free movement of the joint. You have neatly solved the task and the shaft is now ready for use. We wish you continued success.
GKN Automotive.